Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is now the 13th video on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler, and in this video I'm going to show you where the vehicle information labels are. And some of the information you might find on these are the VIN number, the car colour, the manufacture date, the type of gas used. So we'll start off just with a simple one, which is the VIN number that can be seen from the outside of the car, which is just inside the windscreen there. You see a black label that's been riveted on. That is your VIN number. Now this has been replicated over the car as well. We'll now come to the bonnet. So just open up your bonnet. Mine is the model that does have the lock in the middle as well. Then push the lever to the right, and then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your bonnet now safe and secure, we're just going to look around the engine bay, but there's not actually too much information under here. If you do look around the engine block, you will find the engine number. But we're going to look just down here on top of the radiator, and this actually says what our refrigerant is for our air conditioning system, and also our compressor oil there. So that's for the air conditioning. Now for the rest of the information, we're going to come open the driver's door, the right hand door in this instance. Just open it up fully and you'll find most of the information you need actually down the door. Now just starting at the top, this has been added to my car because I've got a Heyman Reese tow bar, so it's just my tow information. And then we've got the tyre information, which my car is actually an export because we're in Australia and it's come from America, so it's just got the tyre information there converted. Then actually down here, this should be where most of our information is. Now it does list my VIN number and also the manufacturer date, but a lot of the information seems to be missing on my one for some reason. That probably tells me the door's been changed at some point. Now finally, we're just going to come into the boot of the car. And we're going to open up the compartment where the jack is held, and open that up, and there's also another label down here. Again, just giving us some of that information. So much like on the side, there's the build date and there's the VIN number and a few other manufacturer details there as well. So for those of you that actually have the information printed on there, if you need your paint code, it should be on the side of the door where mine is missing. Now I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.